Hi friends. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the weather. Now, today it was raining when I got up, and then when I was eating my lunch I looked out and I saw the sun shining. Here's my sunshine. There we go. So I was inside playing in my water table, and I wish that you were here because I really like to play with you in the water table. But I have some friends here that are playing with me, and I was wondering if you know if any of these are the same or if they're different. These two boys are the same because they're boys. But look at their shirts. They're not the same, are they? They do have a star on their shirts, but they're not the same color. Those are the boys. The girls, one has an umbrella and one does not have an umbrella. So they're not the same, but they are girls, aren't they? So if that's the same because they're girls. Look at this girl. She has her sunglasses on when it's raining with her umbrella. That's funny. Okay, so that is my friends that I can play in the water table with. At school, we always have some things to play with. Now I also have some cups in my water table, and they're good for pouring, but guess what? My cups have a number on them, and I put a hole in the bottom. So this is number 1, and it has 1 hole in the bottom. Do you see that? Look at that. Here's my number 2. Do you see that it has 2 holes in there? 1, 2. Look at that. It's pouring down like rain. This one is number, do you know what number it is? Number 3. 3 holes in the bottom. I like how that sounds, just like rain. My last one is number 4. 4. I see 4. Uh-oh, I need to get more water in it. Yep, there's 4 coming out. I'm trying to make it have 4. So when you're at home, you can get cups to play in your water table. And I also have some other things. Did you see these blue things that are in my water? I have some blue stones. They kind of remind me of rain. And when they drop in the water, boing, see that? They splatter and splash, don't they? Sometimes when the rain drops in the water, in the mud puddles, it splashes and you can see a big round circle when it splashes. And that's what I put in my water table. So now I was going to talk about clouds because the clouds hold the rain, don't they? Now I'm going to use today my shaving cream to make a cloud on my water. Let's see how this works. I have a cloud. I'm going to make a couple clouds, I think. Sometimes it looks like this when it's in the sky, doesn't it? Did you see any clouds out there today when it was raining? Let's see. I'm going to put that down. Now I have a straw that I can blow the clouds and see if they're going to move like they do in the sky with the wind. This one doesn't seem to want to move around very much, but when you're at home, maybe you have some shaving cream or something that looks like a cloud, and you can blow it around. Did you see how that works? Yeah, the wind is what blows the clouds around. Now, after it rains and the clouds all go away, we have our sunshine, don't we? And this is my sunshine. I can play with it in the water too, and I can put my kids back in, or I could put my cups back in and play in the water. So if you're at home and it's raining outside, maybe you want to play with water inside. And you could ask your parents if you could play with the water table. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye, friends.